Hello.
Hello. Hi.
Hi. Hi. Welcome to Ingvarta and a very good evening.
Yeah, good evening. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. How are you,
Yeah.
Kriti? I think we are connecting again, right?
Yeah, yes. Yeah. I'm very well. Thanks for asking.
Wow. So let's start then.
Yeah, sure.
Do you want to
Yeah.
talk on your
Yes,
assignment?
on assignment. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
If you ask me a couple of things that I hate as a kid, but adore now, like first thing it would be nap. When I was young, my mother used to force me to take naps in the afternoon.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, but at the time, I prefer to play with my friends, like going outside. But as I grow up, I adore to take naps because it gives me a lot of relaxation.
Yeah.
And second thing, uh, regarding literature, Telugu literature. Uh, when I was young, I feel typical to read that lessons in my Telugu classes. But as I grow up, when I take or when I come across any kids Telugu textbook like that, it really drives me crazy. Like those short stories. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
or something soothing, like cock and bull stories. It's related to that.
Mm-hmm.
And third thing, like it's related to food, like tiger
Mm-hmm.
rice.
Okay.
Um, I'm not into tiger rice when I was young, but
Mm-hmm.
because reason behind it is like I don't like the lemon flavor at the time. But as I grow up, yeah, I prefer to have lemon rice. And also I'm not crazy about bottle gourd at that time, but now
Mm-hmm.
okay, yeah, I can eat. Yeah, these are the things.
Wow. So I think your taste and preferences have changed a lot uh,
Yes.
during this many years. That's good to
Yeah.
hear.
Yeah.
Okay. So shall we go for feedback at the
Yeah.
end? Or
Sure.
okay. So let's have few more questions then.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what does your dream home would look like, and how the rooms would be like? Or do you stay in your dream home now? Anything? I just want
Yeah,
from you.
actually, my dream home consists it's something like it should be okay, not very big or not very small. Like it should be medium because, like if we take big house, then it would be we have to do a lot of household chores. Then it's like time wasting. Like we used to spend more time to like cleaning process. So if we take medium, then it would be very comfortable for us. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, nice answer. Nice
Yeah.
answer.
Thank you.
So one more.
Yeah.
Uh, have you done something which you considered old-fashioned, but you like doing the thing in that way, even though you say it's old-fashioned, but even though others say that is old-fashioned, and even though you also feel that that is old-fashioned, but you are proud of that thing and you do that in that way or that manner. Is there anything?
Yeah. When we wear salwar kameez like that, most of the people in office they used to like that is like old fashioned. And nowadays we are not that much into it. They are like, but I feel like okay, traditional classy wear. If we wear salwar kameez like that, so I feel I am proud of having it sometimes. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Wow, good,
Yeah.
good.
Yes. Yes.
So tell me one more thing then.
Yeah.
What's the most recent commercial you watched and you really liked it? Is there anything like advertisement or? ads or commercials which you watched and you really liked?
Commercials. Hmm. Actually, I don't remember.
Not an issue. One more. Okay, then.
Yeah.
So, if you get a chance to, switch your career or change your career, then in which industry would you like to work in, and in what kind of profession you would like to be in, and why? Or
Yeah.
and if you don't want to change, also you can give me your reasons why you don't want to change.
Yeah. I'd like to become like a writer, which is related to like English stuff. Like, uh,
Okay.
how many hours I work on it, I won't get tired.
Mm-hmm.
Because I really love the thing.
Yeah. Yeah.
Basically, yeah, I'm into it. So I like related to this job, like that English stuff. I like it, like whether it is teaching or anything, I like it. Yeah.
Wow. So you would spend time in writing maybe
Yeah.
short stories or maybe
Yeah.
articles in English, right?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
make me feel
So
elated. Yeah. Mm.
yeah, now I want to know more. So have you ever written anything recently? Maybe a quote or maybe a few lines for somebody or for maybe for your close ones or anything? Anything have you written recently which you recall?
Yeah, I can recall like I think, but I don't know. Maybe someone has a thought, but I
Mm-hmm.
have the thought on this. Like, do not do not speak about the children in front of the parents, those who are not able to have, and do not speak about the money.
Wow.
Those
Wow.
who are not able to have money. Yeah. Hmm.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
Yeah. And
So,
yeah.
so why don't we do an activity now? Can you frame 4 5 lines? Let's say you are going to write an article
Yeah.
uh, on for parents who don't have kid. So,
Yeah.
what message you want to give them? Let's say you are writing an article on
Yeah.
this. So, tell
Yeah.
me 4 5 lines on this.
Yeah, the parents who do not able to have the kids, no need to feel sad, or because there are so many orphans outside, there are so many beautiful kids outside the orphanage, so just go and adopt them, because they are also kids. So
Yeah,
you can find happiness in them also. There is no point of crying that you don't have kids.
yeah,
In
yeah,
fact, if any person is are able to have kids, like parents, and if they go to orphan, and if they adopt kids, then they are insane persons, because they
yeah,
are giving love to the
yeah,
person, to those orphans.
yeah.
Yeah.
So true. Amazing
Yeah.
answer. So tell me more, ma'am. Let's say that, mm, you know, you. Let's say I'm. It's just imaginary,
Yeah.
and I don't mean it to be
Yeah.
in real.
Sure. Yeah.
So let's say you are one of those parents. So,
Yeah.
uh, what will you choose? Will you go for an adoption, or will you go for to have a biological child by IVF? In vitro fertilization,
Yeah.
or and whatever your answer is, give me the reason for it.
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure about this. Yeah, I will go for adoption, because I think because we are taking care of other people, like those who are not able to have have love of their parents. So I prefer adopting.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Amazing,
Yeah.
amazing.
Sure. Sure.
Yeah. Now, tell me more. Let's say that one day you become a very famous writer.
Yeah.
Okay, and you get a chance to talk to some of the journalists and some of the school children or maybe aspiring writers.
Yeah.
So you are in a conference now,
Yeah.
and the whole world is looking up to you. So let's say that the interviewer asks you that, what message do you have for the budding writers of the country or who inspire to become like you? So what message will you give them?
Yeah, I will give them like we are having great weapon, like
Mm-hmm.
this your we are our pen. it has a lots of power, so use them in right way, like curb this what India is facing, like we are facing, like even though we have a lot of rights for women in constitution, but they are not using efficiently, like
Yeah,
regarding any property or equality rights and everything. We are
yeah,
celebrating women's day, but we are
yes,
not, like we can see so many things against women nowadays also, like
yeah, yeah.
Hathras
So
case,
true,
like
so true.
yeah, the in family also, even husbands or even parents are torturing their girl,
Yes,
like they are
yes,
after the marriage they are not willing to give property, like that. So many issues are against regarding women.
yeah.
So with your pen you can abolish all those with
Yes.
your, because your pen is so powerful.
Wow.
Yeah,
Wonderful.
that's what.
I'm just
Thank you.
touched by your answer, Amazing. I'm so touched by
Yeah,
this answer.
thanks a
Uh,
lot. Yeah.
so one more.
Yeah.
Now I'll ask you on this one.
Sure, sure.
So as you gave a message for for all those women and all those girls who are aspiring to do something in their life. Let's say, but they are the ones who are not getting proper support from their families and from their close ones.
Yes,
So
really.
how will you encourage them? What sentence will you tell them to keep on doing and keep on
Yeah,
dreaming?
your heart knows what is right. So
Yeah,
if your society blames you that it is wrong, then don't care about them. One day they will also follow you,
yeah.
but now don't compromise. Follow your
Hmm.
heart, I will say that, because
Amazing.
our heart knows what is right.
Follow your heart.
Yes.
Amazing.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, so driven by your answer, girl.
Yeah,
Amazing
yes, thanks
answers.
a lot.
So, yeah. And let's say you have a daughter tomorrow. So how will
Yeah.
you? What kind of upbringing you will give her?
Yeah, I will raise her in such a way that there should be like no caste barrier. I won't teach like caste is important for us, and I will raise her equal to boy. Like I won't show any differences between a boy or girl. So
Yeah.
even even I can see in family, even mother shows the difference between the boy and girl nowadays. But outside they won't accept, but inside we can see the
Yeah.
difference. So
Yes. Yes.
we will raise them equally.
Totally agree with you.
Yeah, yeah,
Amazing.
yeah,
So I
sure.
think we just have 2 minutes.
Yeah,
So is it okay if I give you a feedback
yeah,
now?
sure. Yeah, feedback. Yeah,
So first of all, you did an amazing job, ma'am,
yeah.
as far as your
Thank you
communication
so
is
much.
concerned and
Yeah,
as far as your interest is concerned. You gave me answers which really surprised me, and it was
yeah.
very touching the way you answered me. Like I could
Thanks
relate
a
to, and
lot.
I think if
Yeah,
you give this kind of answers to somebody else, also many women, many girls, and many people out there would agree to a great extent.
yeah.
So first of all,
Really.
kudos to you for that.
Thanks a
You
lot
have
for that.
content.
Yeah,
Yeah, you have amazing content. You have amazing message for the world out there, and I think it is because of your experiences and the life lessons you have learned. That's why you
y-
have all those answers
yes,
given.
yes, exactly.
Yeah,
Yeah,
amazing, amazing.
yeah,
So driven by your answer.
yeah,
And as far as communication is concerned, I feel that from the last time when I communicated with you and the time and this time, I could see a difference.
yeah,
And you are better, I must say.
yeah,
You are better than the last time.
yeah,
And there were only a few grammatical mistakes and restructuring. So I'll
yeah.
just point out a few. Like
Sure.
the first one which I have noted is used to feel difficult to read Telugu literature, but not anymore now.
Yeah,
Now I enjoy reading those Telugu literature,
yeah,
and I was not very fond of bottle guard as when I was a kid, but now I like this vegetable a lot.
yeah.
So
Sure.
this way we can restructure. So yeah,
Yeah,
that's from my side, and I really think that you are going to have a hold
yeah,
on this language very soon. And
yeah,
I really liked your
yeah.
communication, girl. I really loved
Yeah, really same. Yeah, it's really
Thank
nice talking to you.
thank you. It
Yeah,
was wonderful
yeah,
talking to you.
really.